Iveco completes the Iveco Way heavy range, with the new T Way, off-road truck, designed and engineered for the toughest missions in the most extreme conditions, which takes over from the legendary TRAKKER. The new Iveco T Way introduces a new HI-TRONIX automated transmission, with functions specifically developed for off-road mobility. The new rear disc brakes, heavy-duty rear suspension system for tandem axles, lower curb weight, and a host of features such as the high traction system, together with the high connectivity, digital services and high comfort cab, add up to outstanding efficiency and profitability. The Iveco T Way delivers all the power needed for traction and PTO, with Iveco's reliable and efficient Cursor 13 liters engine, that develops up to 510 horsepower, exceeding the TRAKKER's performance by 10 horsepower. For lighter weight configurations, it is also available with the Cursor 9 engine. The engines are coupled with the proven 12 and 16-speed HI-TRONIX automated gearbox, which now also features new functions specifically intended for off-road mobility. They include a hill holder function to help departure on steep slopes, rocking mode to help recover traction in slippery conditions, and creep mode for ultra-low speed when idling. The cab of the Iveco T Way shares the driver-friendly design of the Way range, with its sleek, aerodynamic lines. Available in two versions, AD Short Cab and AT Long Cab, with standard or high roof, it is focused on functionality to facilitate the driver's daily work. The entire driver area has been created to provide a practical and easy-to-live environment. The comfortable and ergonomic driver's seat, together with the new concept multi-function steering wheel, ensure excellent driver comfort. The vehicle is designed to provide maximum protection, with safety features which far exceed the type approval requirements. The new braking system features ABS as standard, full disc brakes are available on PWD models, and new ADAS are available across the range. The low curb weight has been further reduced by 325 kg compared to the TRAKKER, with the new design of the tandem support on the rear axles, which is now a single-piece casting component. With both rigid and articulated versions, the new T Way has the widest offering of driveline options on the market. Partial wheel drive on 6x4 rigid and articulated, and 8x4 rigid models, as well as all-wheel drive on 4x4 and 6x6 rigid and articulated, and on 8x8 rigid versions. The all-wheel drive range has been extended with new 4, 4.2 and 4.5 meters wheelbase models, which can transport special loads with no modification to the chassis. The front axle has a maximum capacity of up to 9 tons. Hub reduction on the rear axle is standard, to maximize strength and performance. The new heavy-duty rear suspension system for tandem axles optimizes vehicle weight and improves off-road performance, with greater ground clearance and a better departure angle. For the on-road sections of the mission, the Iveco High Cruise system further enhances the transmission's efficiency. It includes predictive gear shifting, predictive cruise control, and an eco-roll function that uses the vehicle's inertia when traveling downhill. Please subscribe to our channel.